G'day, Tom Garabin, sales representative at Apex Results Realty located in Burlington, Ontario. I operate from Grimsby through to West Mississauga. G'day, it's December 7th. As you may notice, normally I record clean shaven and even dressed up. I've just had 2 days off. Sickness, honestly. Not a good thing to have. Did have the flu shot, so it's not flu, but it was pretty bad. So, the real estate market, the update right now. Interest rates are at wow low prices again. I mean, I think I've seen 2.69 or 2.59 for a fixed rate for 5 years. A bit of inventory still out there, not a huge amount. People are starting to take property off the market because, after all, Christmas is just around the corner, and most people are going to want to have that time, but not everyone is going to want time to prep. People are still, I have to move. I want to move. Now it's I need to move. So, still property in the market. There always is. Interest rates are still historically low. Still seeing a good number of transactions. It's a little bit slower. You always expect to have it slow down sometime around the end of November, toward the middle of December at the latest. If a bank or a major lender will suddenly make an announcement they're dropping rates, and it was noticeable a few years ago, you get a bit of a run for a couple of days. Oh my gosh, I'm going to lock in. I'm going to purchase right now. And I'll close in 90 days or 120 days, so well into the new year, over the Christmas. Everyone's happy with it, and suddenly, boom, the market is booming along again. We're not having that right now. Of course, interest rates have been low all this time. They have been low for years now, and they're not going to get much lower. They can't go much lower. No expectation for interest rates to go up in the next few months. After all, that wouldn't be good for the economy, and everyone is sort of expecting it to stay low. There are going to be other slowdowns in the market in the coming year. Prices, of course, are going to look very attractive to people because the houses that are nice are going to be gorgeous. They're going to be finished. Mechanicals have been redone recently. I do not doubt that by whenever the snow starts to leave, you will see a run on again, and we'll have a busy spring market. And of course, properties that are not well done will sit longer until they adjust their price. Do I see a real estate bubble coming up eventually in the new year? Probably. So, I'll keep it nice and short and simple. My suggestion for you right now, as it is every time, if you are thinking about buying in the new year, get yourself into the mortgage broker. Verify what you're good to go for. Find out all the requirements or prerequisites they will have for you, because every single borrower is different, and the lenders may have different requirements between one and the other. So take a look, make sure you're okay, get pre-qualified, and if you've got a good job, everything else is great, and they say you can buy a $500,000 property, look at less expensive. Everyone likes to eat meat once in a while, and mac and cheese for dinner every night when you buy the biggest property you can possibly afford, not a good idea. Is the market going to collapse in the near future? No. Enough on that. Sellers, Christmas is here. Put up your decorations. Take a look at some of those projects you need doing. Do some of it now. Focus more on Christmas. Second Christmas is over. As you start removing things from walls and so on, you notice little bumps and scratches. Touch the paint up. Finalize those renovation projects. Make sure you've asked all the questions you need to. Have your listing ready to go the second that the snows are leaving. You know what? I do not doubt if your house is well done, you'll sell quickly. However, be aware, just because you sell quickly does not mean you're going to find what you're looking for. So you may need to go out and either ask for a long closing date on yours and then throw yourself on a branch, or you may need to go out and purchase with conditional on sale of your property. If you're doing that, I'd make sure I've got my property listed before I put an offer on, because my conditional on sale of property would only be a few days. Enough of that. Anyway, you take care. Have yourselves a great Christmas. My next big official post, I've got other smaller ones coming up. Insurance issues, the standard thing. But my next big post will likely be at the very end of the year or around January 1st. Okay? My Happy New Year. I've made some changes. And as you can see, I've got stuff behind me. I got a few more changes I want to make, see if I can get some things organized here and get it done properly in the time I've got. Everyone's really busy. Do the best I can. You take care. Have yourselves a great day. And remember, no matter what else goes on, as you're going through the Christmas cheer, and the 19th party. And all that shopping, oh, do the shopping now. Do the shopping now. Don't wait. It's nasty out there as it is. So, always remember, stay positive.